Hola! Today we will learn how to make a restaurant reservation in Spanish. Imagine you are in Spain having a stroll and suddenly you see this little cozy restaurant and you would like to make a reservation for tonight. In that case, you would say, ¿Es posible hacer una reservación para hoy en la noche? ¿Es posible hacer una reservación para hoy en la noche? Which means, is it possible to make a reservation for tonight? Then the waiter might ask you the number of people who are coming. For these you can say, Quiero hacer una reservación para 4 personas, por favor. Quiero hacer una reservación para 4 personas, por favor. After that, you will be asked to say your name. So you can say, la reservación sería a nombre de Carlos. Or your last name, Smith. La reservación sería a nombre de Carlos. The reservation would be under the name of Carlos. Once you go back to that restaurant in the evening, you can say something like, Tengo una reservación para 4 personas a nombre de Carlos. Tengo una reservación para 4 personas a nombre de Carlos. I have a reservation for 4 people under the name of Carlos. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you would like to get more tips for traveling to Spain. We also have free online lessons if you are interested in practicing Spanish. You can find all the info in our website. Thank you for watching, bye for now and happy learning. Adiós, hasta luego.